What's up you guys, it's Lawrence here, and today we're here with the Nintendo Switch neon colored ones. So at the bottom you got a diagram of the contents inside the box, which focus on it. I don't manually focus it. Okay, it has the tablet display, the two Joy-Cons, two Joy-Con straps, the HDMI cable, the dock, the Joy-Con grip, and the power adapter. On the front, you have the Nintendo Switch in docked and Joy-Con grip mode. At the side, you have more pictures on the Nintendo Switch, and then you have a picture of the Joy-Cons being taken out of the Switch, and then more pictures. So, weird thing, you don't need an unboxing knife to cut this open, you just open the flap, pull it out. And inside it says, Step 1, plug it in. When attached to the Nintendo Switch console, the Joy-Con controller batteries will also charge. Once you open it, you have the two Joy-Cons. Put to the side. And then you have the other Joy-Con. The red one. And then you have the actual console itself, which is pretty thin. Adjust the camera a little bit. Then you have Switch on the back. You got the kickstand with the micro SD card slot, which I've already put in. The railing for the Joy-Cons to sit in. So I've already gone and set this up ahead of time, so usually you push this button to turn it on, connect the Joy-Cons and go through the setup, but I've already done that. So you got the home screen, or the lock screen, which you can open by pressing A to continue. Oh, turned off. A to continue, and then press any button 3 times. I like to press this one because it makes like a Mario noise. Okay, so then you're at the home menu. As you can see, you got your games. I don't currently have this game. I have installed YouTube, Fortnite, and I bought Rocket League for $25. You can control it. You see the time in the corner, the Wi-Fi, the battery percentage, which you set in the settings. There's an option to show you percentage. Then you have Nintendo eShop, news, the controllers, like it shows you details on the battery. See, I haven't connected the blue one yet, so connect. Now you see the blue one. If I can focus. There we go. Let's go back. Settings. Flight mode. Screen brightness. Screen lock, where you have to press it 3 times. Parental controls, which you can monitor using a app on your phone. Internet. Data management, which I put an SD card, which is 128 gigs. You have onboard storage of 25.9 gigabytes, and then you have 2 users, which is me and my sister. You can make your own amiibo settings, theme. You can choose black or white. I prefer this one because it's better, especially during nighttime, doesn't hurt your eyes. Notifications, sleep mode, like how long you want it to stay on for, controls and sensors to recalibrate, TV output, settings, And this is the system settings. You can change it, the name of the console, language, console percentage is here, sound is on stereo, all these other settings, and system updates here. Go to album, you have the pictures you can capture with the left Joy-Con. With that button, is a capture button. So pressing that, well, you can't capture now because you're in the capture menu, but like if you're in home menu, it captures a picture. And so let's dock it. When you dock it, there's a red line where you dock the thing, like that, and it makes a cool noise. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's cool. Put it sleep mode, you press the button there, volume up and down, you have the air vent, 3.5mm headphone jack, and then the game cartridge slot. You also have the plus and minus buttons. On the bottom you have USB Type-C port with the two these two dots to align it in the dock. You have the barcode on the back. You have a bunch of symbols and logos on both sides, and then Nintendo Switch. You get the AC adapter, which is to USB Type-C. Then you have both HDMI to HDMI, so you can plug it into the dock. And then you have the Joy-Con grip, which also forgot to say, there's an eject button, the circle there. Push it, pull it out. Push that one, pull it out. So put this one back on. And then for this one, make sure the red one is always on the right side. Click into place. Left is always blue. So then you can use it with a comfortable controller kind of grip. Okay, that's it. And then you got two straps where you can put it onto the Joy-Con itself. So take it out of the Joy-Con grip and slide it from bottom to the top. Make sure it's the same logo. See, that's minus and that's minus, so put it from there, lock it into place. And it says here, I don't think your camera can see, but it says here to lock it you have to push it up, so it's locked. So then you can't take it out and the button won't do anything. To undo it, just pull it down, eject button, and then push up. So that's it, there's two of those, one for each side. You have some important information which no one ever reads. Then you have the actual dock itself. This one's got really good cable management since everything is hidden inside here. Micro USB power, USB, and an HDMI. And then it all goes here, fold it away. At the front you have Nintendo Switch. You have the light that indicates that it's docked, and you have two USB out ports. And the serial number and barcode. So let's put that outside. And once I'll clean up, I'll get back to the video and I'll show you how everything is on the TV. Okay, we are back, and so far I have connected the HDMI to my TV, and now we'll connect it into here. So plug it through like that. Oh, other way around. Wow, that's really tough. Okay, plug it in like that. And then get the AC adapter and plug the USB Type-C into the USB Type-C hole. It says the AC adapter, HDMI out. Put them both through the hole there. Close that. So now, jeez, a bit tangled there. So now, if you plug this into power, you can dock your Switch. Just put the Joy-Cons back in. Now, let's just neaten that up a little bit. Okay, so now you can just dock your Switch in. And it should transfer to the TV, like so. Focus it. There we go. So that's my Rocket League stuff. Take the Joy-Cons out of the of the Switch. So you got the main Switch screen. Let's go to the settings to see what type of TV output we can do. Do automatic or do 1080p, which I guess it's already on. Automatic, okay. Adjust screen size. Avoid any errors with the corner of the screen. You can also adjust the screen size using the settings on your TV. So I think it's about there, would be good. Okay, that looks much better. Okay. TV, put on surround, test. Close. Okay, perfect. So I am downloading Rocket League. 27 minutes remaining. Fortnite, YouTube, and I don't have that game card at the moment. Controllers. See the battery of everything going on there. Album, like I said. News. You can see the news feed based on your games that you buy, like Fortnite. And for example, if you're loading to a game, you press A, select the game, and you select your user. So I'll select myself, and it'll start the game. Like so. And on my other HDMI port I have my Xbox plugged in. So if I go source and go to HDMI 1, okay, now resume. There you see my Xbox. You can plug this into the Joy-Con grip and play it like you're playing an Xbox. Let's compare it to the Xbox controller. So you have, there we go. And it's just as usual, it's just like your Xbox, your PlayStation, everything's the same. So yeah. My favorite, while I'm here, my favorite emote is probably this one. highly recommend you getting it, Electro Swing, or if any of you OG people out there. Oh wait, this one. Well, that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I haven't been uploading in a while, which I have so many videos I haven't edited. Hopefully this one goes out as soon as possible.